Hi.
I like me. Alright. Come.
So,
What do you like about history? Alright. So I take that you're pretty when it comes to So here you have your lab.
Matt, wait, what?
When you signed the contract, you knew there's going to be cooking right?
My name is Walter Hartwell White. My name is Walter Hart. My name is Walter.
Yeah. Welcome to How may I help you?
A pass. That's gay.
No, that's
Yeah, so, I'm here for
Shut the f.
Yeah.
I have a strong suspicion.
Hey guys.
Shut the
I just want a Jolly Rancher. Jolly Rancher! I got my Jolly Ranchers! Hold on. I can't. My hands are too slippery.
Thanks.
You guys like Jolly
You
Ranchers?
did tell me get the place.
Shut the f. Hey Bon, can you just get a please?
What's your car?
My name is.
Unlock the car, thank you.
I don't think I have my driver's license yet, because I.
What do you think you're doing on my property?
Sir, this is a train.
No.
I don't know what type of Anyways, under law. All right, bar.
Ghosts.
What the?
Back here.
It's time to get norm because the world is turning into porn.
There's so much meth. God damn.
Oh, they. Three?
It looks awfully like the meth.
I've seen as. I don't know what's in these barrels though, so I can't.
Is that Andrew Tate? What?
Wicked times, wicked times, wicked times, wicked times.